Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Gemini. Gemini people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. Gemini, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So we have Knight of Swords and King of Swords. All right. This is your current energy, Gemini, and this is your partner's current energy. So let's talk about your current energy first. We have Knight of Swords card with us. It means that Gemini person, are you guys into some kind of you want to take some action towards somebody or something, because you are in rush. You are in rush to take certain action towards someone or something. Perhaps you want to meet somebody. Perhaps you want to confront something to someone. Whatever the case it is, you are being somebody who don't want to wait for a single second, and you are rushing towards that particular thing, particular person, particular goal in a hustle bustle. Okay, very rapidly you are running towards that particular thing. All right. On the other hand, we have King of Swords. Your person is being somebody who is very calm yet passionate. This person has the qualities of king. All right. As you can see, there is a lot of blood around this person. It means that this person is mature enough to cut out certain relationships which are not required in their life. Perhaps this person is being somebody who don't want to entertain any other person in this relationship. Perhaps they have made up their mind that they don't want to think about any other person. All right. They have this sword in their hand. They have already killed or they have already refused certain proposals in their life. Okay, but still they are being very calm. Okay, they are somebody who is feeling calm and composed. Okay, they are not in any kind of hurry. They are not in any rush. Okay. Now let's see what is the current situation of this relationship. What is the current situation of this relationship? Sharing. Oh my God, that's so nice. Gemini, I would say that not particularly about you or your person, but it seems like both of you are sharing your equal part in this relationship. Okay, both of you feel that the other person is the best for me. Okay, you think that your person is best for you. They think that you are best for them, and hence you guys have shared your emotions with each other on an equal level. It's not that you are giving your emotions to them and vice versa. Okay, both of you are equally investing in this relationship. Both of you are equally giving your input and efforts in this relationship. Okay, and basically you guys are somebody who believes in sharing. Okay, it seems like when you guys are together, you create magic. Okay, with this candle, there is some different I would say whenever you are around them and they are around you, both of you feel a divine light. Okay, divine guidance. Okay, yes, that hey, yes, this is the person for me which God has kept. Okay, so something is going on in your life, Gemini. Okay, now let's see, or I'm going to pull 3 cards for you right now to see what your person thinks about you, what they are doing right now, and what their future plans towards you. Okay. Oh my God, swords. Compromise. Control. Gemini, with this source card, your person thinks about you that you are someone who is the only source of happiness in their life. Okay, I told you that they are being somebody who do not want any other person in their life, and that's why they are not afraid to cut people out from their life with this King of Swords card. So whenever they see you as somebody who is the only person left for them. Okay, they have strong belief in divine that he has kept you for them only. Okay, they see you as somebody who is very responsible, very mature. Okay, people look up to you, people rely on you, people believes in you. Okay, because you are somebody who is mature and responsible. Okay, now when it comes to take any action, or I mean what they are doing right now is that it seems like your person is compromising on certain things. Okay, perhaps they must be compromising with their family, friends, or I mean it could also happen that that your person must be compromising their own emotion towards you. Okay, perhaps they wanted to meet you, they wanted to talk to you about certain things, they wanted to share something with you, but at this point of time they are feeling that perhaps you are being so busy, or perhaps you are not talking to them. That's why they feel that it's okay, if not now I can share my emotions, my things with my partner later. So perhaps they are compromising on certain things. All right, and when it comes to taking future action or what their future plans are, it seems like they just want to control their emotions. Okay, they are in a specific box, or specific box of their own mindset. They are fixed in their mindset. Okay, and it seems like they won't be able to take any action towards you. It's not that they don't want to take any action towards you, they are genuinely into you, they really want to take certain action towards you, but the thing is that they are stuck into their own mindset. Okay, and future is also the same, saying same thing. Perhaps they'll stuck into their own mindset, perhaps they'll be stuck somewhere else. Okay, they wanted to take some action towards you, but they won't. Okay, all right, so Gemini, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another Gemini air sign. Sorry, another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this King of Swords and King of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this Swords card. Some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this Compromise card. And some of you could be dealing with another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Control card. All right, so Gemini people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.